Hello everyone. Today we're going to go over how to diagnose and repair broken sketches by utilizing the SketchXpert tool. Now unfortunately we can't use this tool without a broken sketch, so let's pretend that we need to make a design change to our blow dryer here. I'm going to go ahead and edit this sketch, and let's pretend that I need to make an adjustment to the overall length of our blow dryer. As you can see, when I create this horizontal dimension, it's going to break our sketch. It's going to say that's going to be over-defined, and it's not a solution that can be calculated. So instead of sifting through these different dimensions and relations to see what is in conflict with each other, we can right-click within this graphics area and select the SketchXpert tool to help us with our issue. We can also select this over-defined option from our status bar, and simply left-clicking on it is going to populate the SketchXpert in our property manager. Now all I have to do is diagnose our sketch. As you can see, all possible solutions are going to be provided to solve this sketch. Now we're given 10 different solutions. As you can see, when I tab through them, they're all going to have different pairs of relations and dimensions. Each solution also provides us with either a dimension or relation to remove. As you can see, noted with this red slash going through them. They're also listed over here in our more information dialog box. Now, once we make our selection, let's say we want to utilize this solution that removes our overall angle. All we have to do is click accept, and it's going to solidify whatever changes we made to our design. Now, once I've determined the solution and I click accept, I can make whatever adjustments I need to the part to adjust the length of our blow dryer. That is how you use the SketchXpert tool.